You will need graham cracker crumbs, flour, butter, sugar, vanilla, 2 eggs at room temperature, a lime, cream cheese, and sour cream or yogurt. In a small bowl, measure about 150 grams of graham cracker crumbs. Next, take 1/4 cup of butter and melt it in your microwave. Add it to the bowl and mix until it's well combined, then set it aside. Get 300 grams of cream cheese and add it to a medium bowl. Mix until it's nice and creamy. Combine a 1/2 cup of sugar bit by bit. Add 2 eggs and mix. Put in a teaspoon of vanilla, about a tablespoon of lime or lemon juice, and 1½ tablespoons of flour. Then mix. Measure out 185 grams of sour cream or yogurt and combine it with the rest of the cream cheese mixture. Now line your cupcake tin. Evenly distribute the graham cracker base, flatten with a spoon. Fill the tins about 3/4 of the way with the cream cheese mixture. Bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Take them out of the oven and let them cool. Top them with whatever you'd like and enjoy.